In this video, we present our Immersive Anatomy Atlas, created as part of the CGVR workgroup of the University of Bremen under the direction of Gabriel Zachmann. The aim of the Anatomy Atlas is to provide medical students with a tool which allows them to intuitively learn more about human anatomy. Our application features a detailed model of the human body. Around 370 organs, the skeleton, the skin, the nervous system and more, are available. The virtual environment resembles a realistic operating room that users can customize. And the HTC Vive virtual reality headset offers a 360-degree view. Motion controllers are used for immersive interactions in this environment. Organs can be grabbed and viewed from any angle. Additionally, the names of individual organs can be viewed to test the user's knowledge. Removed organs can be moved back to their original location, with the system correcting small misalignments. Should a user forget the original location, they can easily reset that location. To get a better view, users can hide parts of the body, revealing the organs beneath. And the operating table, on top of which the anatomical model is placed, can be adjusted to a comfortable height. Our Anatomy Atlas is an intuitive and simple approach to learning about the human body.